Hey everyone, this is Jeff with AZ Boomer Adventure, and I am putting scissor jacks on the front of our Colman 17B today. So I bought these jacks at Harbor Freight. Unfortunately, I thought the 20% coupon would work with them, but Haulmaster, I guess, doesn't fall under the 20% anymore. Used to be Harbor Freight, 20%. Those coupons covered everything, but today, nope, they're doing only select things. Kind of was a bummer, but they're still a pretty good deal. So they're Haulmaster 2.5 ton, 5,000 pound capacity scissor jacks that I'm going to put on the front of the camper. So I'm going to be using these self-drilling metal screws to put the scissor jacks onto the frame of the camper. It's very similar to what the manufacturers used with putting the back braces on, so they should work fine.
I put one of the jacks down already, and I put it on a piece of wood because I'm kind of on a curb here, but the jack, I put it up against the frame just to kind of position it, and I'm going to bring it back down and clean the frame because there's a lot of dirt on there, and then I will go through the process of putting it on and drilling it in. Okay, so I have it pretty much lined up here, but I want to get the holes just a little bit more centered. Make sure we're even on both sides.
All right.
Okay, technically I shouldn't have to use pilot holes because these are self-drilling, but it does make it a lot easier rather than sitting there working upside down to try to get these to stay in one place and everything. So that's what I'm going to do. And I put safety goggles on because I don't want a piece of metal in my eyes. So. So now we're going to put this back into place here. Line up those holes. There we go. All right. Nice. one in the front and put one in the back. And the rest should go in fairly easy. Woo! Just like that. All right. Last one. All right, that sucker's not going anywhere. All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna do the same thing and kind of line it up. Get it as even as possible. About the same. All right, take our handy gold pen here, mark our holes. All right. There we go. All right. Both sides done. Alright, so this is what we're going to be doing here in the future. It's just going to be easy as, oops, get it going the right way. Oop. Just like that. And we'll go around to the other side. Easy peasy. Now the front is stabilized and we won't be rocking and rolling as we're walking around in the camper because we have scissor jacks on all four corners of the camper.
All right, everyone. Final note is that it basically is maybe on a scale of 1 to 5, a 1.2, maybe possibly 2 if you know what you're doing with some basic hand tools and drilling and getting under there. It's a real easy process to put scissor jacks on the front of your camper. So give it a try and have fun on your next adventure. And thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon on the next adventure.